For some reason, the JLP has decided to sacrifice 15 areas without representation for a improved, in their minds, representation of 2 places with representation. Let I tell you the 15 places that have no representation at present, that are people not less deserving than what you claim for Portmore. In St. James, Catadupa, the councillor was removed by default due to absenteeism. When Senator Sinclair was making that statement, remember when he was leading that action, he suggested at the time that in short order, the people will receive, not by-election, representation. In short order, make we talk. In St. James, Cambridge. No, I said Catadupa first. But Cambridge is now serving as an MP. That was a former mayor. Omar is now serving as a mayor. The people have no representation in Cambridge. Some people will claim that when the person is removed, the mayor steps in. It was not the intent of the law for the mayor into perpetuity. For one, the mayor has his own area to represent. Additionally, for 2, nobody voted for the mayor. Salt Spring, removed by default due to absenteeism. In St. James,
3 out of 17 divisions.
Not only 3 unrepresented, the mayor now has 4 divisions that he must oversee with no knowledge of the people and no vote by the people. At least if it was Portmore, the elected would have received some support from those people in those areas. He has none. Let me go again. In Westmoreland, so we're going 3. White House, that councillor, Mr. President, has resigned. In Petersfield, that MP is now the JLP's representative and a member of parliament. That councillor is now a member of parliament. In Manchester, Knockpatrick, that councillor has died. In St. Elizabeth, none of them is there, sorry. In St. Catherine, Greater Portmore East, that councillor have died. In Point Hill, that councillor have died. In Spanish Town, that councillor have resigned. I think also migrated. Sorry, resigned and I think migrated. In Spanish Town. In Clarendon, Mineralites, that councillor have died. In St. Mary, Retreat, now serving as an MP. In Trinityville, that councillor have died. In Fellowship, that councillor have died. In Ferry Hill, that councillor have died. To this point, 14